Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to set lo-fi chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Messenger. After that we need to click on name of our friend and here click theme. After that, we need to scroll down and find lo-fi. Click select. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later. Wait you for come back to my channel. Bye bye everyone.